What are you doing? Is that my phone?
Who is Emma?
What?
Who is she?
Why are you looking at my phone?
Answer me.
She is a colleague.
A colleague who writes, I miss you at midnight.
Wait. Slow down.
No.
Let me explain.
Explain who Emma is.
She works with me.
You said that.
Then why are you asking again?
Because that does not explain the message.
It is not what you think.
What do I think? Say it.
I do not know what you are thinking.
I am thinking my husband is hiding something.
I am not.
Then why is your face like that?
Like what?
Like you got caught.
I did not get caught.
Then sit down and talk to me.
I am sitting.
Now talk.
Where do I start?
The beginning.
Okay.
I am waiting.
She started at our office 3 months ago.
Okay.
We worked on a project together.
Just work.
At first, yes.
At first.
Yes.
What changed?
She, her husband left her.
So,
So we started talking
about what?
about her life.
Why you?
I do not know.
Yes, you do.
Maybe because I listened.
So you became her listener.
Yes,
For how long?
6 weeks.
6 weeks?
Yes,
And you never said her name.
I know.
Not once.
I know.
Why?
I did not think it mattered.
It mattered.
I see that now.
You see it now.
Yes.
You wrote I miss you too. I saw it.
Yes.
You miss her.
It was not like that.
Then what was it like?
I do not know how to say it.
Try.
She made me feel useful.
Useful.
Yes.
And I do not.
That is not what I mean.
It is what you said.
I said it wrong.
Then say it right.
I felt important to her.
You are important to me.
I know.
Do you?
Yes.
You do not show it like that.
Like what?
Like you needed her.
I did not need her.
But you wrote I miss you.
I was being kind.
You were being something. Look at me. Look at me.
I am looking.
Did you kiss her?
No,
Did you want to?
no.
Look at me when you say that.
I am looking. No.
Okay. Did you meet her? Did you?
Once at
When?
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks?
Yes,
Where?
a cafe near work.
A cafe.
Yes,
How long?
maybe 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
She was crying.
Why was she crying?
Her husband sent the divorce papers.
So you went to comfort her
Yes,
in a cafe,
in a public place. Yes.
and you did not tell me.
No,
Why?
I did not want you to worry.
Worry.
Yes,
You did not want me to worry. Or you did not want me to know. Which one?
both maybe.
At least that is honest.
I am trying.
You are trying now.
I know.
After I found the message,
I know.
if I did not find it, would you ever tell me? Would you?
I do not know.
That is your answer.
That is my answer. Can I come in? Please,
Why?
I want to talk to you.
You already talked.
There is more.
More.
Yes,
How is there more?
please, let me come in.
Fine.
I am sorry.
You already said that.
I know.
So,
So I need to say it again.
saying it more does not change it.
I know.
Then what do you want?
I want you to know I see it now.
See what?
How much I hurt you.
You see it.
I see it.
3 weeks ago you did not see it.
I know.
6 weeks ago you did not see it.
I know.
So why now?
Because I almost lost you.
Almost.
Yes.
You did not almost lose me. You did lose something.
What?
The version of me that did not check your phone.
She's gone.
I know. I have a question.
Okay?
If she texted you tomorrow,
She will not.
how do you know?
I told her not to.
When?
While you were in the bathroom.
Show me.
Okay.
Read it out loud.
Out loud.
Yes, now.
I told her my wife knows.
Keep reading.
I cannot talk to her anymore.
Keep reading.
I am sorry for letting it go this far.
What did she say?
She understood.
That is it.
That is it.
She did not fight it.
No.
Then it was not love.
No.
Then what was it?
Loneliness.
Hers.
Mine too, maybe.
Yours.
A little.
A little.
Yes?
You were lonely.
In small ways.
With me here.
Yes,
That hurts.
I know.
That hurts more than the message.
I know.
Tell me how I made you lonely.
You did not make me lonely.
You said you were.
In small ways.
What small ways?
Tired evenings.
Tired evenings.
When we did not talk.
We talk every evening.
About what?
About the day.
Yes,
But not about us.
I did not notice.
I know.
I should have noticed.
Maybe.
Why did you not say something?
I tried.
When?
A few months ago.
I do not remember.
That is the problem.
You said you wanted a holiday.
I remember now.
I said maybe later.
You did?
I forgot.
You forgot us.
That is hard to hear.
It is hard to say.
I forgot us.
A little.
Enough.
Yes. Coffee.
Thank you.
Did you sleep?
A little.
Me neither.
I heard you turn over many times.
Sorry.
It is not your fault.
Some of it is.
Some of it is. Yes.
I keep waiting for you to yell.
I do not want to yell.
It might be easier if you did.
For who?
For me.
I am not going to make this easier for you.
That is fair.
It is.
I made you eggs.
I am not hungry.
Eat one bite.
Why?
Because you have not eaten since yesterday.
Okay.
One bite.
One bite. Thank you
For what?
for making them.
I always make breakfast,
I know.
so why thank you now?
Because I noticed today.
I did not notice yesterday.
I know.
What do we do now?
I do not know.
Neither do I.
That is honest.
What do you want?
I want to know we are still us.
Are we?
I think so.
You think so.
I want to be.
Same.
What do you need?
Time.
How much?
I do not know.
That is okay.
And honesty.
Always.
Even small things.
Even small things.
Promise.
I promise.
Look at me when you say it.
I am looking. I promise.
Okay.
What do you need from me?
Patience
You have it.
and forgiveness.
That one takes longer.
I know.
I will wait.
You will have to.
I will.
Can I ask one thing?
Yes.
Do you still love me?
Please answer.
Yes.
Even now.
Even now.
Why?
Because love does not leave that fast.
It does not.
No.
But it can break.
I know.
Is ours broken?
A little?
Can it be fixed?
I think so.
You think so?
Yes.
I will work for it.
Me too.
Together?
Slowly.
Slowly is okay. Can I sit next to you?
Okay?
Can I hold your hand?
Yes.
Your hand is cold.
I have not slept.
I know. Thank you
For what?
for not leaving.
I did not say I am staying forever.
I know.
I said slowly.
I will take slowly.
Good. Tell me one thing.
What?
Tell me you will not lie again.
I will not lie again.
Not even small things.
Not even small things.
Promise.
I promise.
Say my name when you say it.
I promise. On your name. I will not lie again.
Okay,
Okay.
now eat your eggs.
Ha 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 ha.
What?
We just had a very serious moment.
I know.
And you ended it with eat your eggs.
Yes.
Ha ha ha.
They are getting cold.
Okay. I love you.
I love you too.
We will be okay.
Slowly.
Slowly. Yes.
Hey everyone watching.
Thank you for watching today.
What did you think of this story?
Write in the comments.
Have you ever felt something like this?
Write in English. Any answer is perfect.
If you liked this video, please like it.
Subscribe to Easy English Studio for new videos every week.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.